Hey everyone, in today's video we are learning how to extract only the even numbers from our huge file containing the numbers, and also we will try to manage the back pressure, optimize performance and all those things by using the Readable Streams. We'll implement it. So let's say you are reading a large file that contains numbers. So we are reading a large file that containing number. Each number is separated by a space. Now here is the catch. So when reading this file in chunks, a single number can get split across two chunks. That's what we call a character split issue. So that one also we have learned. Why the chunk, the characters will split also we have seen it. Because each character is an 1 byte, that is nothing but 8 bits. So if you are having a chunk size of around 64 KB, so if you are having a 6-digit character, so 6 characters are there in one chunk means, so you can split it can get split in 3 or 2 4 something like that, it gets split. So that's why we need to catch that last number and we need to combine it with the first number in the second chunk, so that we cannot miss any numbers. So let's try to implement that issue. So we add the leftover split here, okay, chunk at the beginning of this. So now what we try to do it is, so we got the numbers, so we have learned about this one all, so where the split is happening. Let's try to check it. So first of all, what I would be trying to do it is, so we are able to get the data. So now we got the numbers, okay, so we got the numbers. So let's try to implement this number. So first of all, let's get the first number and also a second number. So here what I will be trying to do, constant first number. So first number means nothing but you will be having in the numbers of 0. So that is the main thing. So this is all, it will be in the characters. I am converting into a number, and I will be having the second number. Second number is equal to plus numbers of 1. So we got the first number and second number. So how we can able to know that the first number is not the actual one, it has been splitted or not? So how can we able to know it is, if first number plus 1 is equal to second number means, then we can able to understand that that number is not splitted. So if it is not equal means, then we can able to understand that it is splitted. So let's try to understand. So now here we can have another one also, constant last number, okay, is equal to numbers of length minus 1, numbers dot length minus 1. And also here I can do constant second last number. So I can also have a second last number and plus numbers of numbers length minus numbers dot length minus 2. So these are the last number and second last number. So what we need to do it is, so first of all we are having a chunk of data, let's assume. So let's I will try to show you in Paint so that you can able to understand it clearly. Let's say that we are having a chunk of data 1, 2, 3, going on, you have a 32, okay, like this in first chunk. So this is total number of 32,182. So here you will be able to get it 182, and here you will be giving 32,183, like that it will be going on the thing. And here you will be having 32,181, okay. So the first chunk will be delivered the first time. So when you are trying to get the data from the stream, the first chunk will be delivered, and I am taking the last number and also the second last number, and I will try to do it last number minus 1 is equal to second last number means, then the split is not happened. If the split is happened means, what I will try to do, I will try to remove this one and keep it in one variable. The last number I will keep it in one variable, that is, let's assume that it is a split. So after keeping the value, so this entire thing I will try to calculate the even numbers and all those things, finish. So this number is kept aside. So I will be removing this one from an array. Next, when we got the second chunk, okay, I will try to take the first number and I will try to check that whether this first number plus 1 is equal to second number or not. If it is not equal means, then we can able to assume that this one has been splitted. We already have the splitted value from the previous chunk. So I will try to append these both the things, okay, and I will replace it here with 32,182. So in this chunk only I will try to try to add it, and here the last chunk also I will try to check it, and I will remove it, and I will add it in the split. So like this it will be going on happening. So now what I want to do it is, first I need to take this one and I need to add it. I need to pop that one. So let's go here. So here I will be going into this one. So the last number we are trying to do it, right? So if last number minus 1 is not equal to second last number, okay, if it is not equal to second last number means, then what I need to do, so then what I need to do, split is equal to, so I will be having a variable here, let split, okay, let split is equal to empty. I'll be having it like this, and here what I would be trying to do it is, so here the last number is this one only, right? So here you can have a numbers.pop. So I am removing directly numbers.pop. So I am removing it directly, and I will add that split is equal to last number. So I will add that number. That's it, finish. So we got the split, okay. So before we got the split, what we need to do, we need to calculate the first number also. So the first number means, so we need to check in such a way that if first number plus 1 is not equal to second number. So if it is not equal means, then first number and second number is not equal. So then if you are having a split means, then you need to combine the first number with the split and you need to add them. So here you can add in such a way that if split is there, so you need to check that if split is there, the first time you will not have a split. So that's why I am trying to tell you. So numbers of 0 is equal to, so here I can do split dot to string. So I will convert it to string and I will use the trim, okay, plus, so here I will add, or otherwise there is no need to add this one, and here I can use first number. So the first number which we are having dot to string dot trim, okay. So this is the method which we are having it. That's it. So now we got the number also got added. So now what I need to do, I need to capture the even numbers for this one. So here once this one is finished, so here I will do numbers dot for each. So you can use whatever the thing you want. So numbers dot for each, and here I can check that if number mod 10 is equal to 0, then what I can do, so I am taking only the 10 decimal number. If not of stream right, if not of stream right dot right of, so we need to write the value. So here I can use something like plus, and here number plus I am adding the gap actually. So if it is not equal to it, then I will do stream read dot pass. That's it. So that's it. So now what we are trying to do, we are calculating the, we are taking the first number and we are adding it if it is split is there means, and we are removing that from the last number. So that's it. So now if you try to check it, so I am using the test.txt, and here if I try to check it, the output, let's try to check this output. So here let's go into this one, and we will be having let's say that git repair markers. Let's try to check it. Somewhere we'll be having open in, yeah, open in Explorer. Let's go to the Explorer, and I will open the command prompt for this one. Let's go to the readable. Yeah, I will open the command prompt. Oh. So I have opened the command prompt. Is it opened or not? It's taking some time. Let it take. So it has been opened. Now what I want to do, so here let's try to write node read big.js file. So now it has been converted. Now if you try to check the destination file, so let me open this destination file, show more options, open with, where is this open with, sorry. So here I can have open with, and here I will try to open in the Visual Studio Code. Let me open this Visual Studio Code. If you try to check the output for this one, so all the values are nothing but ending with 0. So that means we are only getting the values which is divisible by 10 only. So if you try to write it with the 2 means, automatically you will be able to see the 2 value. So for example, let's say that if you try to change the value that even numbers means. So here I can write that if it is mod 2, okay, then you will be able to get the node readbig.js. so now it is taking some time to write it. Yeah, fine, it has written. Now if you try to take cat destination.txt file, so now here you will be able to see 584, 586, 588, 590, 592, 594. so we are able to get only the even numbers. So now from the huge file also using this stream thing, so you can able to extract only the desired even numbers. So this is how we will be splitting the values. So that's it guys about this one. So before we run this one, so like this we need to do it. So after running your script, what we do, we check the output file, all even numbers are not, we check the file size. So we'll check the file size also. So here this one is around 3.7 MB and this is 1.85 MB, exactly the half is there. So that is, this is also proves exactly as expected. So now what we have did, so if you want to check the timing also, you can check it, so it's not a problem. So here what we have did, so now here you can write console dot you can take console dot time, console dot time finish. Let's try to take it, let's see how much time it is taking. So when that everything is completed on rain, so here stream read, so when the stream read dot on off end, okay, so we are not, so stream write dot on finish will not be, event will not be fired. Why? Because we are not ending the, we are not using the stream write dot end, we are writing stream write dot write. But when we are using the stream read dot read, so here we are using stream read dot on data, right? When the stream read entire thing is finished, end will be fired. So here you can use this one directly. So control dot time end. Now if you see CLS, so now you will be able to get the total time, how much time it has been. So 1.796 seconds it has taken. So this is how you will be implementing this one. So now what we have did, everything you have understood about this one, how to extract the even numbers from a set of file using the streams, and also both readable streams and also writable streams. If you found this useful, smash the like button, subscribe for more development content, and let me know in the comments what you are building with the Node.js. So catch you in the next video. Fine, bye.